how to promote your videos in your YouTube channel's community post page. So let's begin the video. In your YouTube Studio dashboard, click the channel profile image. Next, click your channel tab. In your channel page, click the Posts tab to enter community post page. To promote your channel video, add a suitable title for video promotion. And next, click this video icon, which will open up this pop-up window with all your channel videos. Select the video you want to promote and click the Insert button below. Your YouTube video with a thumbnail has been added in the post page. Click Post button in the right-hand side of the page. And done. In this manner, you can promote your channel video in your channel community page.
This brings us to the end of this video. Please like my video, share your ideas in comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.